What is up guys, welcome back to Performance Rebuild. So today we're going through the parts that we just ordered. So if you just follow me. Here we have the skirt for the car. So this is in reasonably good condition. You can literally just put that straight on. It doesn't even need painting. There's no scratch marks, no damage to it, so that can just be fit straight on. Right guys, so we have the passenger side headlight. If I turn it around, all the lugs are in good condition. There's no damage at all to the lugs. There's just the ballast that are missing, but that's not an issue, as you do have the ballast of the damaged light. You can probably replace those onto this light. Hopefully they work. Right guys, so we also have the gearbox. I was just going to replace the bottom piece, but I got the whole box for a good enough price, so I thought I'd just pay for the whole box. So guys, this is the front bumper that we ordered. It does have a few cracks in the grille, so the grille will be replaced. We have both of the lower grills. They can just be kept straight on. It's just a matter of flushing it down and just priming it and get ready for paint. So all the kits are still intact. Right guys, so we have both doors. We've got the door card as well. We've got the front bumper, the passenger headlight, the airbox, front slam panel, and also the side skirt. So the majority of the parts we do have now, but there is a few more parts that we do need to order.
So guys, as you can see, we will need to move a few panels off the old one and put them onto the new one, like the carbon trim that comes here. By the looks of it, it's just clipped in, yeah, so it shouldn't be an issue. We'll clip that off. The leather trim around here, around the door handle, we'll have to take that off and put it on here as well. And the backing as well, we might need to change because it has an LED running along there. This one actually don't have it, but there's a bunch of screws. If you have a look on the other side, the screws, so hopefully we could get that off easy. Shouldn't be an issue. Doors are in pretty good condition. It's got I've spotted a few scuffs on it around here and round on the edge here. And moving on to the next door. Yeah, it looks in pretty decent condition. Right guys, so we've got the front panelers, so we can start fitting the front rad packs in once they've been pressure tested. Right guys, so we've got a lot of the parts now. Yeah, so we've got the doors as well, so we can start working on the passenger side. Looking at it, the lower door brackets will need slightly pulling out, so before we could get the doors on, we will have to pull that out. As you can see from here, this door bracket's actually gone in, so we'll have to pull that out. The top one don't look too bad. We'll check them when we put the door on, but you can tell the bottom one needs pulling 100%. This bottom, same on the other side. This bottom one will need pulling out as well. You can see it's gone in. I'm not sure if the camera could pick that up, but the top one actually looks alright. We'll double check it, we'll pull that, then get the door on.
Right guys, so we just pulled out the lower door bracket, and we're just going to try on the new door, see if the alignment is right.
Yeah, we'll definitely check how it fits. It needs a bit of adjust. We get the door back off and adjust it and recheck it, then hopefully move on to the back door. So right guys, now that we got the front door on, it actually don't look too bad. It actually looks decent, to be honest with you. We'll have to get the back door on, then we could start you know, adjusting it here and there. They actually don't look too bad. The wing will need aligning up as well. So now that we've got the lower door bracket pulled out, we'll get the door on it and see how it looks. Yeah, we pulled the bottom door bracket out slightly to see how the door would fit. So we fitted the door, and it's actually the wrong door. This are actually off a normal A6 by the looks of it. The guy who did buy it probably must have got confusing. It's just the wrong one, but that's not a problem. We'll get that sorted. But as you can see here, there is actually a big gap here, and it goes quite in. Whereas the actual RS6 door, because of the widened arches on the back, it actually curves out.
Oh, look how thin it is there. You can see. Compare them two.
You'll see the
Hold
difference.
that door, please. There is a huge difference.
So for now, we'll start working on the front. We'll get the rods taken out and we'll get them pressure tested. So now that we got the rods off guys, we'll have a quick look at them and see if we spot any major damage. We will get them pressure tested anyway, but for now, let's see if we can spot anything.
So I don't know if you can see, guys, you can see right inside there.
It's like
see
a hairline.
slight little a line. That is where the water was coming out of.
Two little, yeah. It's like damage there and there.
Once you repair that, you have to watch out because these could start building pressure, and these two could start leaking as well.
Yeah, definitely. If you can't, we'll have a word with the guys at Ready Rads. If they can't repair it, we'll definitely order another one. So let's get the rads pressure tested, guys. We'll see you at Ready Rads. Now that we're at Ready Rads, we'll pressure test the rad. We'll get Morris sorted here.
Initial. I work with Ready Reds, and we are radiator specialists. This is an example of RS6. As you can see, it's leaking there. There's a tube crack in the middle, and we're gonna sort it out these and make this rod work again.
We're back at Ready Reds now. They gave us a call saying that to come and collect our radiator. As you can see, they've repaired it. They painted it black. As you can see, where they repaired it, and it looks like they're doing a good job. But just for reassurances, they left us here. They gave us they let us have the opportunity to test it ourselves, so we can show you. The water's going in. If I release the pressure, it's coming out from both ends.
There's actually no leaks on it now. Guys, as you know, yesterday we fitted the door and it was actually off an A6, not an Audi RS6. We found the guy who's actually got the door, the bonnet and the wing. We'll go pick him up now.
Right guys, so now we've got the parts, it's time to head back to the workshop. Guys, so after a long journey, we have all the panels, we are finally back in the workshop. So we're going to call it a wrap for today, and yeah, just don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.